Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror from mobile to TV. So friends, before we start the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. So here is my mobile phone. First of all, you have to move on the mobile phone setting. Then you have to search here screen cast, or you can even search for this screen mirroring if it's not showing here. If it's not showing, then you can click on connection and sharing. Then you can move on this screencast, and here you have to click on search for display devices here. After that, here you have to click on agree and continue. Here it says agree and continue. Then click on nearby devices, turn on notification, agree and continue, turn on, and here it's searching. Now you have to move on your TV. As you can see here, it's written cast. I can zoom for you. Here it's written cast. You have to click on the cast. If the cast it's not showing, then you can move on setting and search for the screencast. Click on start. It's loading right now. Here it shows Smart A4 23. This is my television, so I tap on television, then click on start now. It's connecting. So here we are done to screen mirror. You can now play the movie. If you want to play the movie, you can do whatever you want, okay? I can play the 4K video. You can zoom in, zoom out. Whatever you will do in your device, this will happen in your TV. So friends, if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, friends. So friends, this is how you can do screen mirroring. And friends, if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.